trench begins to fit. Rubbered all with brush in hand, layer by layer the prototype stands. Thick as night, each coat applied, concrete mold set dreams alive. Concrete in the mold now cast, dreams solidify at last. From the stone we see it through, the trench we made from dreams and glue. Water flows through these veins, life carved in rock alone. Handcrafted trenches call, echoes of nature's own. Seiryu Stone in soul, life's rough edges shown. The aquascaper's vision grows in the shadows of this place. Every crack and crevice speaks secrets time can't erase. Handcrafted trenches call, echoes of nature's own. Seiryu Stone in soul, life's rough edges shown. Depth in every line etched, nature's heart beating slow. Concrete dreams come alive in this watery glow. Handcrafted trenches call, echoes of nature's own. Seiryu Stone in soul, life's rough edges shown. Life's rough edges shown. Fish dance through the night in trenches carved by hand. Whispers of a bygone age, a rock-hewn wonderland. In the trench my spirit roams, concrete dreams